Okay, so welcome once again. Let's start with our CSS, writing the inline CSS first. Okay, so how do we start? Let's go to our folder, our folder, and create a new folder. Let's call it CSS 101. Then we open it, and inside here we'll write styles. Okay, that is structuring your website. Then you come here and put images. Okay, then we come here and say scripts. Alright, so there are three components that makes a website at the front end. You have the style, the scripts, then the images. Okay, so to make this more structured, I would like to have all this inside my assets folder. Okay, so come up to styles, scripts, and images. I'll cut it and put it all inside my assets. Okay, so there we are. We have our assets here. I would like to rename this. Let's call it a Junami. Yes, so let's call it Junami. Okay, so we have Junami here, right here, that we know that our site name is Junami. We have the assets here, images, styles, dots. Okay, so let's start. Come right here, so we select folder. Okay, so there we are. You can see we have our Junami here. So let's create a new file. Let's call it index.html. Okay, so this is our index.html. This is our folder. Our site folder is called Junami, and this is our assets. You can see it's all out here. So let's write HTML. I'll pick HTML5, and we have the structure right here. Let's put the title Junami. Then we come right here and put an H1 tag and say welcome to Junami. Okay, so up here, let's see what we've created in our Junami. Okay, so let's see what we've created. Here we are. Welcome to Junami. You can see our site title here, Junami. Welcome to Junami. Okay, yeah, so that is our website right there, looking beautiful. So let's style this with inline CSS. We say style, color, red. Okay, when we refresh this, we'll get the color red. So what happened here? This is inline CSS. This is inline CSS. Okay, so just hold on. I'm trying to apply comments there so you can see what we are trying to write. Okay, so inline CSS. Okay, before you wonder how I wrote the comment, you just bring the less than here followed by the exclamation mark, then you put this, and there it is. It's auto completed for you as the comment. But there is a shortcut in Visual Studio. There is Visual Studio. Just press Ctrl and / you'll get your comments. Okay, so that is it. This is inline CSS. We are uniquely styling H1 tag. Okay, so that is what inline CSS is about. Just you are uniquely styling a tag. If I have another H1 here and I say another welcome line, okay, I did not add any inline style here. I only added it to the welcome to Junami. So let's refresh this and you will see that we have the first one as welcome to Junami. Okay, something is wrong with our code. Okay, I've seen it. Alright, so let's refresh it. Okay, so we have welcome to Junami here as color red. Can you see? This is welcome to Junami for color red. Then we have H1 here, another welcome line. Okay, so I did not style this. Let's say I want to style this another welcome line with color blue. I'll just say color. That is for changing the font. I'll just say color and put blue. Okay, so let's refresh that. You see, we are uniquely styling each tag. This is the red tag as welcome to Junami. This is another tag as another welcome line. Okay, so there we have it. And let me show you another example. You can have P. Okay, you can have P and say I am the content with color green and I am pretty. Okay, I'm pretty. So let's come here to style, color, and say green, and that's it. Just refresh that and you see I am the content with color green and I am pretty. Okay, so we have welcome to Junami, another welcome line. So we are styling each tag with different color. You see the color here is blue, the color here is red, and the color here is green. But we have two H1 tags here, but they are the same thing. Okay, even though we have the same H1 tag, but we have different style for each line. Okay, so even if I say welcome to Junami 2 times inside different H1 tag, the style, the inline CSS that I gave each and every one of them will still be the same thing. Okay, so when I say welcome to Junami, here welcome to Junami, it doesn't change. This style is what is making them to be different. Okay, so if you're wondering, is it only color that we can do? No, we can also do font size. Okay, we can also do font size 40px. Okay, refresh that. You see I got my 40px here is more larger than this, is more larger than this welcome to Junami. Okay, so what about we try 300px, and you see, can you see? So I'm styling this tag alone. It's now welcome to Junami, just blue color. Okay, so let's be moderate with that, and let's just say 30px, and you can see I have my 30px here and H1 is right here. Okay, that is how to use the inline CSS. Okay, so let's move this. Let's try another one and say, okay, welcome to H1, and you say okay, this is part another inline CSS tag style. Okay, so right here I can say style. So remember, whenever you're trying to use your inline CSS, you must indicate that you are trying to edit the style. So inside your tag, inside the opening tag, you just come right here and say style is equal to. Okay, so here I would like to say font weight. Okay, that is to increase the weight of the font to be heavier. Font weight is 700, or you can even put bold. Okay, so I can say color. Okay, so that you know this is working, let's choose another color inside what we have here. Okay, let's choose green yellow. And let's refresh it. You can see here it is another inline CSS tag style. Okay, so I would like to put it to, I would like to give it purple. You see, another inline CSS tag style. This is the basic things that you need to know about inline CSS. Now next video we'll move to internal CSS, then you will see how we can control this H1 with just one descriptor. Just describe what you want it to be without styling this, styling that, coming to P, styling P differently, or unless you want it to be unique among other styles. Okay, so let me try another H1. So here I'll say the H1 should be I am the third H1 here. So I say style, color, and I will say indigo. I don't even know if indigo exists. Okay, I think it does. Okay, right there. You see, I am the third H1 here, and you can see the third H1 is right here. Okay, the third H1 is right here. Let's try another H1, so just you can see that we can style different H1. This one is saying I am the fourth H1 in Junami. Okay, I am the fourth H1 in Junami, and we declare our style again and say style. The color should be Sadu brand. Okay, refresh that. It's saying I am the fourth H1 in Junami. We have the first H1 here, the second H1 here, the third H1 here, and the fourth H1 here, each uniquely styled. This is red, this is blue, this is indigo, and this is Sadu brand. Okay, so you can see we have uniquely styled each H1. They are the same tag, but we have styled them differently. I hope you get the point about what inline CSS is. Okay, so this is our index.html. I have styled our inline CSS, added a comment here. Inline CSS uniquely styling H1 tag. This is uniquely styling H1 tag. Okay, so that will be the end of the inline CSS part. I'll see you in the next video where I will talk about internal CSS. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and in case of referencing, you can always come back to the video and watch again till you understand. Okay, happy coding.